Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Joe Trades. Today we're talking about the trade recap, and I just want to give you an update because things have been chaotic around here, family stuff, also in the market. But I know I didn't get in a recap for the last day or two, so I just wanted to come back here, update you for Monday. So today is January 24th. And we've had quite a bit of a sell-off going on in the market. I've got TQQQ pulled up. For any of you that don't know, this ticker right here is basically the S&P SPY, and it tracks that exact movement. But what it does is it's the levered version. So this is 3 times levered. And there's a couple different versions of the QQQs, but that is what it is in essence. It's just a leveraged version of the SPY. So let me see if I can pull up the SPY just so we can have some general reference here. And as you can see, I'm going to zoom way out here, just kind of showing all the yearly trends. Here's we've got the whole big pandemic sell-off here. And since then, we've had a massive run up. But more recently, we did kind of look like we peaked for a bit, and we've had this massive sell-off. So that's what I'm going to be talking about today, because I did not get in a ton of trades today. I'll go ahead and show you the performance on that. But I had 3 trades, and it was trading the market, the overall market. So I traded the SQQQ and TQQQ. So those are the only 2 things I traded today. And reason I traded those instead of SPY, of course, is it's a lower price and there's more volatility to it. But in essence, it's the same moves. So yeah, that's what I saw today. Let me zoom into today's movements. As you can see, we've in the last actually week or two here, we've had such a massive sell-off. And it started coming in a little bit slow, and then it just got heavier and heavier and heavier. And we've just been selling off for quite a while here. And who knows, this might not be the end of it, but today we had a big bounce. And initially, I got into the market here, and I wasn't even really looking at any of the other small cap names. And that's typically the only things I trade is the small cap names. However, today I think it was just such a big bleed off that I was looking at the overall market and realizing, you know what? It's volatile right now, and I don't know if we're going to get a bounce or not, but let me see if I can get a few trades in on the overall market to see how it would go. And so anyways, I'm ending the day $44, so really not much, a whole lot of gains there. Although I am holding a position overnight, and I might hold it for maybe a day or 2, maybe even 3 days. I don't know. Just because I feel like the small cap trading is slowed down right now. There is a chance it might turn around at some point here, but as of now, this is, all I found appetizing. So took those trades today, 3 trades. Initially, I traded the SQQQ. Now, let me show you this because this is basically an inverted version of the TQQ. So when I see the market moving down, okay, and it looks like we're bearish and we're going to have some further movements to the downside, I actually take a little, instead of shorting the TQQQ, I go over to SQQQ because it is the opposite. It's the inverse of the TQQQ. And so when the market's falling, this chart is actually going up. So this is kind of a neat way to trade if you think the market is bearish for the moment, and that's exactly what I did. I hopped in, seeing that the market was going down, and sure enough, got a little ride up. But these, they were small trades. I didn't go huge on size. So anyways, the first trade was SQQQ. Got $10 on that. And it was right more towards the morning. And then I switched to the TQQ and then back to SQQ. So, and each one, next trade was $29. Next one was, apologies. First one was 10. Second one was 19. Third one was 15. And what I decided to do was I was thinking that with this market, I think overall, we're going to have a bit of a bounce. Now, I'm talking at least for short term, and that was the decision I made kind of earlier in the day. So I actually started buying in, nibbling in. I did take like a 50 share size position initially, and then started adding to that as we were dropping more. I just felt like we had such a long sell off for quite a while that I was going to bounce at some time. And sure enough, we got that bounce today. We hit um, a very low at this point, and anyways, I got averaged in, what is my price? $52. So that's where I'm averaged in at, which is right in here. So for a little while I was holding it, and it was a loser for a little while. Eventually hit a bounce and corrected, and sure enough, look at this. We finished pretty strong on the day. We were positive on the day and came back from a huge sell off. And so I'm holding that position, and currently I'm up about $207 on that. And I figure, you know what, this isn't necessarily small cap trading here. This is kind of a different strategy for me. And I don't always think it's necessarily a great idea to really change up strategies, but sometimes it's can be a good idea to explore new strategies. And I don't know. I just felt like, once again, the more small cap market felt really slow. I didn't see a whole lot trading today that was worthy of trading. Pixie was one that I was kind of tempted on trading today a little bit earlier in the morning, and then I just kind of decided not to go for it. It was kind of volatile, chopping around quite a bit, and so it moved up initially in the morning and then just kind of up and down and sideways action. So I didn't take any trades on that. But either way, just holding this TQQ position, seeing if we can get another maybe leg up tomorrow. I honestly don't know where the market is going to go in the next 5 days. There's a lot of people that are bearish on it right now, thinking we have way more room to the downside. But then again, as far as catalyst, we're not going through another pandemic right now. I feel like the pandemic stuff is kind of easing up a bit, and we're getting a little bit more in the clear. But you never know. There's always things that pop up in the future and can always change the market. But I don't know. We might sell off a little bit more, but I think at some point we're gonna get a bounce and then a gradual run back up. So my plan kind of for this is just like I said. I'm holding this overnight. We'll see how tomorrow pans out. See if we get another just a really aggressive, more selling to the downside. I might just have to let it go. Try to get out positive tomorrow on it. But if we get a further move up, I might try to ride that up a bit more and then sell. But I just thought this was a good opportunity as the market has sold off so much. Like I said, within the last couple weeks here, we kind of hit this high point here, and then we had this whole area where it was like just back and forth action where we sold off a bit and then had a nice correction, and then we just started selling off again, another correction, and then we've got this dump here. And within the last couple of days, we've just had a huge rip to the downside. So just trying to take advantage of that, see if we can get another bounce, maybe a little bit further up. But really, that's all my plans for now. I'll update you guys with some other stuff that's going on in my life, and I got some big plans ahead, and I don't know if they're going to go through, so I will update you guys with that, but that will kind of indicate what I'm going to do with my trading journey, how I'm going to continue, and just my work towards my trading journey. So anyways, I hope you guys are doing good today. That's really all I got for you. Let me know if you are a small cap trader. What did you trade today? Were you profitable? Did you go in the red? And I want to get your honest opinion on how you feel like the market has been lately for small caps in trading them. Do you feel like it's been dead? Have you been making great money? Do you feel like it's great opportunity right now? Anyways, that's my plan right now. Just working on this overall market position. that's about it. So I'll update you guys tomorrow. And till then, take care and have a good Monday.